What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar with C-Zar Gets Crypto, and we are talking about Bluzelle today, BLZ. This one comes to us at the request of Benji the Third. We're looking at this, man. You were talking about a good position to get in. And I answered it in the Discord, but I want to go over the charts because it's been a while. We should talk about BLZ, check in on it. It's been climbing its way up slowly. Yeah, it could come down. I think it could come down all the way back down to like 20 cents. That is possible, right? Somewhere around here. Maybe just kind of fake some people out. That we break these lows, but then really as soon as we break these lows, we hold these ones, and then it's up again, something like that. We do have a lower high here with this. Let's see. High, come on now. High to low. We did go all the way up to the 786, a kind of deeper retracement, and now we're moving down back below the 618. I would think that at least coming to the 382, which we're sitting at 26.6 now, so at least 26.2. If not the 236, we could hold that as support, or again, potentially, we do go a little bit lower. What would that actually be? I wonder. I really do. Let's see. The 1272 is just below that level, so and that's still actually right above 20 cents. So we could hold that level, that 20 cent area, as support. I don't really expect that we'd go much below that, but I do think that all in all, is it a good time to get in Bluzelle? I mean, man, I bought at like this level basically, right? That's where I bought. I'm confident in it. I'm pretty comfortable with it. I do think Bluzelle is going to do well. Definitely a neutral looking RSI. It's not showing strength. It's not showing weakness. A little bit more strength and weakness, but the bigger candles right now look to be red. I suppose that was a bigger candle back here, but anyways, looking at the weekly, you do have 1, 2, 3 drives of bearish divergence presenting its. I'm sorry, 2 drives. 1 drive there, 2 drives there, 3 peaks, 2 drives of bearish divergence presenting itself. You could turn around from here. This could be like a kind of double top here with the bearish divergence. Not a good look, and your volume's dying off. This is on Coinbase. Let's go to Binance. Let's see. Yeah, volume's dying way the hell off. I think you might move lower. It is possible, down to 20 cents or something like that, but I don't think you go too much lower than that. It is possible that you could move lower, of course. Man, that'd be the 236. Maybe you do come all the way back down to 15 cents. That's possible as well. I'm not going to be worried about it. If it does break below 20 cents, I would just be excited to buy more. I would go really heavy into Bluzelle if it did that. But as of right now, I've got my bags packed with Bluzelle. I'm not really looking to put any extra money in it just yet. If it were to drop down to 20 cents, I probably would. And if it drops below that, I would go crazy. I would go very crazy at this 382 because Bluzelle loves its 382, man. It really does love its 382. So all that being said, watch for that 20 cent level. We might not get there, but watch for that. If it breaks, that could be a problem. We could drop down, another, that would be 25% down to 15 cents, right? But we might hold. There's a lot of suggestions that we could hold that over there as well at the 20 cent area. Hidden bullish divergence, which can be negated. All you have to do is close a 4-hour below that. Yeah, I don't know. I want to say, like, generally, if this wasn't Bluzelle, I would say with confidence, high confidence, that it's going to 15 cents. I would say that like with a high degree of certainty. But this thing just loves to prove you wrong, and it loves to continue to climb up, right? And that 382, that's the main reason why. And maybe it wicks a little bit below that, so maybe it goes to 14 cents. Previous areas of support back here, right? Resistance, resistance, support, 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 resistance. It could go all the way to, I guess that'd be 13 cents, 13.23. With any other chart, I would think that, but because this is Bluzelle, I think holding this 236 is totally possible, or even continuing to climb up from here would be possible. But right now it does look like you're finding a little resistance at the 069, which, again, if it was any other chart, man, I'd be very convinced, very confidently convinced that you're at least going here, if not very probably here, with the potential to go lower even. But I don't think it'll go this low. I'd be surprised if it went down here, and I wouldn't be surprised if we held this level, which isn't normal for most charts. I would think, breaking the 236 is a thing, but this thing is strong, man. It's very, very strong. One of the stronger RSIs in crypto right now for sure. And and it's been consolidating. Really what it's doing is just kind of consolidating in this area, right? Like it had a very strong move up, and it's not really giving any of it back. When it does, it comes back up, like, so who knows. All that to say, is it a good time to buy? I'm happy with my buy here, man. I'm not selling. I didn't buy here, but I bought like here, right, on this day, and then it went down, and then it came back up, and I haven't sold. I don't plan on selling. It could go all the way down to 13 cents. I still wouldn't sell. I would just buy more. That's kind of the plan with this thing, because I do think I think it's possible that this thing could be worth $100 by the end of the cycle, or more, honestly. And here it is sitting at 26 cents, so 26.6 cents. That's all I got for you guys. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to see more from me. I do kind of think it goes down from here. That's my genuine opinion. So if you're looking to get into it, if you're really impatient, just go for it. But if you wait like maybe 3-4 hour candles, right? If you wait like 12 hours, you might be at notably, maybe not notably, but you might be a cent or two lower, if not a couple days. But yeah, that's all I got. So hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye bye.